Okay, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Okay, guys, so we're going to do a video this afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm by my friend's house again, and I'm cooking some food for my children and her children. So as you can see here, I'm going to make some ribs, some stew ribs. So I already, to clean my ribs, take off the white thing off the back of the ribs. You know, the part you tear off, I already do that. Wash it with some white vinegar, and I season it up with some browning. I put a little bit of browning on it, and I put some Maggi chicken flavor also inside it. And over here I have a pot already, and I rub it up together, guys, and leave the season marinate inside of this ribs. So over here now I have a pot, a small pressure cooker. So I'm just going to add a little bit of vegetable oil inside a pot, not too much, and I'm going to come over with my ribs, and I'm going to place them inside a pot. Reason by, I'm going to brown them up a little before I pressure cook them. The kids just come and say, Auntie, I'm hungry. Me and I were supposed to cook this afternoon, but we have to go and do something for our mother. So I say, you know what? Let me just cook so the kids then can get something to eat, because I don't know what time he's coming back. So the ribs is inside the pot, and I'm going to saute them up, and then I will add a little bit of water with a little bit of garlic inside of it, and I'm going to put it on for at least 10 minutes to press. Okay, guys, so I'm just stirring up the ribs, so like that, coating it. You see that? Look how beautiful the color is. See that? Okay, and I'm going to leave that, and meanwhile I'm going to come over back on this side, and I'm going to cut myself up some peppers, red, green, and orange pepper. Delicious. It's all about cooking with natural ingredients to build your flavor, like Flavor City, like it's dancing in your mouth. Voila. Yes, dancing, dancing, dancing. It's good to have fun in your kitchen, have fun with your food, play around with different ingredients, and see where it leads you or lends you. Which word? Where are you going to see? Leads you. Different ingredients. Yes, so right now, as you see, we're just cutting up the peppers, because we're going to use these peppers inside the ribs to build the flavor, melody inside your mouth. You know that song says, Shawty, have a melody in my head. That's how it go. Ay, Jesus. And some white onion. You can use red if you have red also. Push that aside. I need scallion and thyme. Let me check. Freshness of scallion. Scallion and thyme is just a beautiful combination of season. It just builds the flavor of your food of any type of food you cook. Once you Jamaicans, or even if you're not Jamaican and you're from the Caribbean, you know about scallion and thyme, because trust me, just the fragrance of the thyme, oh my god, that smells so good. Yes, and we're going to put it inside our pork ribs, and yeah, you guys are going to get to taste some of our food, right? Let me wash this. So we're just cutting up the scallion. Hey, you see on Saturday daytime when you go Maypen Market, a whole heap of this. When you come up on the bus or market truck, a whole heap of the flavor you smell inside a vehicle. The thyme and the scallion. You know, say Sunday morning, big things are go down inside of your house. Big things. Because your grandmother or your mother will cook some rice and peas with some real coconut milk, and maybe they do some stew beef, or you know, some French fried chicken, and they still use the thyme and the scallion inside it. So good, so good. So we're just going to leave this here on the side, and then we're going to go over back to the pot now. I'm going to add a little water inside this. I'm not going to waste this because this have all the season and the goodness inside it. And this is about a cup of water. A cup of water. And I'm just going to add it to the pot. Like so. With the ribs, just to cover it a little bit so it can pressure good. And I have here some minced garlic. You can use a fresh one if you want, but I work good with this. Grab it from the fridge, throw that in your pot, and you're good to go. Flavors and everything. And I just had some garlic inside it. Give it another stir. And I'm going to put on the pressure cooker cover and leave this for 10 to 15 minutes to pressure. And then we're going to season it up, build up flavors. Okay guys, as you can see, the ribs is almost finished, like 5 minutes into cooking. It's soft and everything already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all my season to it. I have some celery stick here I just cut up, so I'm just going to add it to the pot, and all the rest of goodies inside it. And remember, we did put the garlic already when we pressuring it. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Okay guys, so we're just going to stir it up now. And we're going to leave it for the next 5 minutes to finish the cook. Just going to cover it up. Okay guys, so I'm just going to add a cube of Maggi inside of it because I taste it and it's a little bit fresh. So I'm going to add a cube of Maggi inside it and leave it cut down. Okay guys, so we have come to an end of the video. The ribs is finished. Look at that, guys. Here. Finished. I'm just going to plate it up just now and we're good to go.